1/2 male, push-pull, hydraulic couplers are easily mounted to ISO-type female connectors. How? You'll find out by watching this video, which is less than a minute long. Here's a coupler already mounted. To remove it, you have to pull this knurled sleeve. Do you see it? Backwards like this. To reassemble it, it's simple. You have to hold the coupler firmly and push it forcefully against the connector until you hear a click indicating that everything is locked in place. That's it, the operation is complete and the objective is achieved. The assembly is properly installed. Now, let's repeat the same steps on the other coupler connected to the other inlet/outlet of the cylinder. Watch carefully. Finally, we invite you to subscribe to the Hypnolab channel. You can suggest your ideas in the comments, which we can then turn into videos. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.